students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is the projection of vector A is equals to 2i plus 3j plus 2k on y-axis is. Our options are 3 by root 17, 3, 8 by root 17 or 2 by root 17. So projection on y-axis will be the y coordinate of this vector, and if you will see the y coordinate of this vector is 3. So our correct option will be B. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.